Well, siding day is finally here. Nico and the framing crew hauled up 8 boxes of EverLog concrete siding up here to the site, and we have now got it going, and we're gonna start putting this siding on the side of the house here. I'm pretty fired up for this. Obviously, I sold Christy on this whole deal, and EverLog is the exact product we're looking for. And so what we chose here was a 10-inch plank siding here, and it is Ponderosa in color. We think that's gonna blend in perfectly. But what's amazing about this stuff is how heavy it is, how sturdy it is on the side of the house. So this is the plank siding for most of the house here. But as you get upstairs and those windows that face out to the valley, those will be done in a board and batten siding, which is right here as well. So it's a combination of both, and it'll take us a little more than a week to get all this going. And Nico and the crew have never used EverLog before. They got a quick idea of how to put it on, and they've been off to the races here. So I'm pretty fired up to see how this turns out. While Nico and the guys continue to put on the siding, I want to go through a couple things. One, we've talked about the fire danger up here and how the siding we've chosen will mitigate that. But also, it's important to remember, New Mexico gets 340 sun days a year, and it's no different here high in the northern mountains. The biggest difference here, though, the intensity of the sun at 11,000 feet. This wall right here on this home is facing south. Now, this is great siding. It's 1-inch thick pine siding here. It's holding up really, really well, but it does get crushed by the sun. So about every 5 years, and this siding is 5 years old, they will have to go in and completely go through and refinish the siding here and restain it. That is something we're not going to have to do. Just one of the many reasons that we love the product that we chose. Sharp. We have completed all the siding on the house here, and the reason I waited to show you this until late November is to make the point about the kind of weather that we get up here and the kind of beating this EverLog siding is likely to take. Last night, we got about 6 inches of snow here at the top of the mountain. In fact, as you look across the valley to Wheeler Peak, the state's highest point, buried in snow. But look at the valley. There is no snow there. The reason? It cooked off earlier throughout the day because we've had a tremendous amount of sunshine. And that's what you get here. A lot of moisture and a lot of sunshine. So we need a siding that can handle all that different type of weather and a ton of UV without fading. And I think we've got it, and the look is pretty good. Christy is gonna love it.